In this video, we will learn how to discover all the available printers in Java. We will use the print service lookup class. First, I will import javax.print.print service, and then I'm going to import javax.print.print service lookup. And in main function, I will call print service lookup print service method and get all our print services array. Print services and print service lookup dot lookup print services and pass in null. Both argument as null. This should be print service. And now I'm going to loop through all the print services for print service print serve and print services and start and end of for loop. This need to be uppercase. And then print out its name. System.out.println and print service name is and now I'm going to call print service method get name, which will return the service name. Print serve dot get name. So this way you can discover all the available print services using Java. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.